Hey everybody, got to turn my light on. Thanks for watching. Creative real estate investment strategies. The more creative real estate investment strategies you have, the more property you can buy. And the more different ways you can think to create win-win situations, it's just going to move you highly, highly forward in life. So I have this story about how you can basically eliminate the cost of turnover when it comes to when you have a tenant moving in or a tenant moving out. So this is what ended up happening with me. We were renting out this fantastic suite in Kelowna, and we had it was a fantastic place. We wanted to get it rented, and a lot of people were saying, well, I can't move until the end of the month, or I can only move in at the middle of the month. And that, that's fine. That's pretty normal. But I wanted a good quality tenant in sooner than later, just like every landlord does. So I had about 60 applicants for this one place. I had 5 very quality applicants. And I always do a very thorough due diligence process. Okay. So, and by the way, everybody, I've got some notes here because I want to make sure and remember to talk about all these talking points. So anyway, I always do due diligence. I'm always checking on the, the employment situation, existing landlord. If there's a previous landlord, I like to talk to that person. I like to get family references. I do all these kinds of things. But anyway, I always talk to the existing landlord, and she gave him a glowing reference. She was like, I wish they weren't going, but I understand my place isn't big enough. So what ended up happening is I selected actually not only 3 really, really good candidates, but there were really only 2 that I wanted in the space, and I had to pick one. So I picked the best candidate, and I went to their landlady because I wanted my tenants to move in sooner. So I went to their landlady because I'd already talked to her, and I said, why don't I help you fill your place so that the tenants that I've selected can move in to mine? And she said, oh man, that would be a huge help. Then I don't have to pay for advertising. I don't have any downtime. I don't have any vacancy time. I don't have to, I don't have to waste my time trying to find somebody if you've already found some people. So what I did is I gave her, with their permission, of course, my second and third choice. Okay, I know I'm doing this wrong. My second and third choice. And what she did is she selected my second choice. They were a perfect fit. It was an even better location, as it turned out, than mine. And it was a fantastic win for so many reasons. So of course it was a win for me because I've got my quality tenant sooner than later. And that just meant more money, more coverage, more ability to, cover all of these expenses. And then of course it was a win for this lady who needed to fill her space with an equity building tenant. So I got mine filled sooner, and I made a great connection, and I did a good thing for somebody, which is always a good thing to do. And it's always nice to make a new connection in the real estate investment space as well. So it was something that not only worked really well for us, but it was just the right thing to do. And it sped everything along. It saved everybody money. So think about that when you're out there, help each other, many hands make light work. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to keep in touch, go to streetsmartdiva.com/book. Otherwise, have a great day. We'll see you next time.